surprise unpackaging video from the Bullworker company. You want to know what this is? You want to know what this is? You want me to ruin the surprise? Well, I think 99.9% certain this is a t-shirt and an ISO bow. Yeah, let's get right to it. So I'm gonna grab the pocket knife for this one. Don't want to cut too deep, so I don't want to damage the fabric. Yeah, this is definitely a t-shirt. Yeah. Oh, it's more than one t-shirt. Oh, that's pretty cool. Awesome. Redefining fitness, baby. So I want to put it on, but my armpits are really sweaty at the moment. I guess my calculations were incorrect. I had not been expecting to receive 2 t-shirts. I also had not been expecting beforehand to receive another ISO bow. And yes, this is the black one. This one also has a different, what's it called? Stitching? Yeah. A little bit different. Pretty cool. Not, you know, the same product otherwise. But in a different color. I like this one. I think that I prefer the black and red one because those are actually the colors that I use for my own brand. But having the black one is pretty cool too. Now I own both. What's this? Oh, cool! In the last video, I think I asked for or I asked about an instruction thing for the ISO bow, and now they actually deliver it with not only instructions for how to use it, for a few strength exercises, but also for a few flexibility stretches. I think that is pretty important. To my knowledge, the other one did not come with that, but it did come with a large chart. But I think that this is better, this is more fitting for the product. Because, you know, it's simple and this tells you all you have to know about the ISO bow. Pretty nice t-shirt. I was in dire need for new t-shirts. And what is this? Oh, that's really cool. Is this a new one? Is this a new design? I like it. Or is this an older one? I'm not certain. Oh, I like this one. This one's cool. I like the colors more of this one, you know, darker shade. But I like the design of this one. It's a little bit more, how should I put it, old school. Well, this really gives off like the feeling of a professional brand. So I think that this is actually, I'm not certain, I think that this is like an older design. Or this is a design from well, no, it's definitely from the same company. Where does this one come from? They don't have this one in the store, to my knowledge. Really nice. Really nice. I'm definitely going to wear both, especially in public. Especially in public. I'm definitely going to represent the brand. And I actually had a pretty crazy idea in mind. But that will come out eventually. Yeah, I really like this t-shirt. Redefining fitness. What's the line on this one? Why pump iron? where you can push steel. Really awesome. I still don't know. I have seen the design for this logo. Other than that, I'm not sure where I've seen this one before. I don't think that I'm pretty certain that they don't sell this one in the store. Do they? I know that they sell this one. And you should definitely get one of these. This t-shirt is very comfortable. It's more comfortable than the Machismo shirt that I have. Although I'm not even selling my own shirts yet. Pretty cool. This one does not have a back design. And I also put on the other one. Oh. What was this made from? Ultra cotton. Is that like special cotton? I don't know. Kind of feels a little bit like my Machismo t-shirt. It's made from similar material. It's good that he gave me 2 t-shirts. So I'm probably going to wear this for every Bullworker video from now on. Of course, the back design. Yeah, pretty cool. Thanks, Chrisman. So yeah, if you want to have one of these t-shirts yourself, you can order them from the Bullworker store, from bullworker.com. You can find them in the shop. If you want to get a little bit off your order, you can use the MAC5 coupon code. This will not only give you 5% off when you want to buy a t-shirt, but also 5% off any other thing you want to buy from the store. So yeah. Also make sure to use my referral link that also supports my channel. And with that being said, thanks for watching this unboxing video. I will also do another interesting video soon. So yeah, an interesting Bullworker related video. At least I have that planned. So mark that on your agenda. Well, no, I'm not going to give it a set date. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day, everyone.